Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I am out on my Kingsong S22, and as you guys know from a previous video, I got the wheel back about a week and a half ago now, very interesting. I was going back from work not yesterday, the day before, and the wheel started making it sounded like something is loose inside the wheel. Now, it's not the bearings. It doesn't sound like the bearings. But when I put like force on each of the sides, it's sort of like a knocking sound. And I put a little video, I put a little short little clip in here now, so you guys can hear how it sounds like. There, the noise started now. This is now probably about 8 miles. So yeah, after about 8 miles now, the wheel just started making the noise, and I was actually riding all the way at about 18-20 miles an hour, normal speeds really. But yeah, it just starts making this noise. It's quite worrying. I'm gonna keep it slow when I get home. Yeah, my beloved S22 is not happy. It's not happy at all. Okay, laters. And so I was riding home, nothing special. It was dry, and it's just a normal ride, slow ride to work and back. And this was on my second ride to work and back, so it's about a 20-mile run, and yeah, it made this knocking sound. Now I can't I've left the wheel now for about 3 days because I was just a little bit worried about the sound, and maybe there's something wrong inside the motor or whatever. And this morning I thought to myself, let me just get out and just try the wheel and see if the knocking sound is there. And the knocking sound is not there anymore, so it's quite worrying. It's almost like something got hot and is loose in the thing. But it sounds like it's definitely a knock, and there's nothing touching the wheel or whatever, and it did sound like it's inside the wheel itself or the motor itself. Very interesting. But just gonna quickly put the wheel in that mode, in the, what do you call it, the trolley mode. And now there's no knocking noise. It's almost like it got warm and something became loose, and then it started making the noise. But have a look at the video that I've added into the front, and let me know your thoughts. I don't really want to ride a wheel that is close to, or if it's going to fall apart, or not fall apart, because this is quite a solid wheel. But cut out on me, or give me some trouble when I'm riding. Don't really want to do that. There's no extra wheel here in the front that can help me balance. So I'm just going to take it slow this morning, go out for a little ride and see if I can replicate it. And I thought I'll take you guys along. But let me know down in the comments, what do you think it can be. The wheel is clean and there's nothing rubbing. I thought maybe it's the valve, but it's not that. It's all clean and pretty much good. But now it's not making the sound. How bizarre. Okay, let's go for a little ride. Yeah, so it's a very interesting thing, and I've reached out to the guys from Personal Electric Transport to see if they know what this can be. But yeah, moral of the story for me, I've always had two wheels. Now I know it's not, you can't always have two wheels, but I was lucky to have two wheels at some point, and I thought to myself, now I'm going to trade both wheels in and only have the one wheel. And yeah, you know, when you've got a wheel that needs to go away for repairs or stuff, then you're stuck with no wheel. And I really rely on my wheel to get me to work and back, because being stuck in the traffic is not my idea of burning fuel or wasting my time. And school holidays is pretty much going to end in a week or two, and then it's going to be back to which side? It's going to be back to being manic traffic, and that is going to be for me to get the wheel up and running as quickly as possible, because yeah, I can't be asked to be stuck in the traffic. Okay, I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Cheers.